Unraveling to Recap, mastering this useful phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into a very handy phrase in English, to recap. Whether you're in a meeting, summarizing a lesson, or just having a casual conversation, understanding and using this phrase can greatly enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, to recap, is a short form of, to recapitulate. It's used when someone wants to summarize or go over the main points of a discussion, presentation, or a series of events. Think of it as a way to highlight the essentials or to remind listeners of the key topics covered. Example usage in sentences. To recap, we've discussed the pros and cons of online learning. Let's recap what we've learned in today's class. In formal settings, meetings and presentations, it's commonly used towards the end to summarize the main points. Academic settings, teachers or students might use it to summarize a lesson or a lecture. In informal settings, everyday conversations, it can be used casually to summarize a story or an event you're describing to a friend. Tips for using to recap. 1. Keep it brief. The idea is to summarize, not to repeat everything. 2. Focus on key points. Highlight the most important aspects. 3. Transition smoothly. Use it to smoothly transition from a detailed discussion to a summary. 1. Clarity. It helps in making sure everyone understands the essential points. 2. Engagement. It keeps the audience engaged, especially in long discussions. 3. Memory aid. Summarizing helps in better retention of information. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use to recap effectively in your conversations and presentations. It's a simple yet powerful tool to keep your communication clear and concise. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using it in your next conversation or meeting. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.